Hi guys, it's Martin here from a lovely sunny Blackpool Automart. As you can see behind our Honda dealer, look at that blue sky. Absolutely gorgeous day here. I shouldn't be here, but anyway, here we go. We have a 2018 Audi A6 Ultra. It's the estate variant, automatic, diesel, and what a lovely car this. Look at those alloy wheels. They're proper Audi wheels, but they must have been put on the car when it was new as an upgrade, because they're not standard them, and they must have cost a couple of grand, I would have thought. But what a lovely set of wheels it's got on it. It's the A6 estate, like I said. It's the diesel variant, and it is the Ultra. So the spec level on this is absolutely awesome. It's got an electric tailgate, which I need to operate from its key. Schoolboy error there, sorry about that. I should have known that. Yeah, you press the key and she opens up automatically. There you go. Huge cavern of a boot, as you would probably expect on an Audi of this size, an Audi A6. There's the splitting of the boot, but there's the size of it. You can see that. And obviously it's got the cargo blind that lifts up as you open the tailgate as well. And there's just a little button up there to just press to close it. How good's that? Like I say, it's a 2018, 19, 20, 21, so it's 3 years old, so it's just out of its Audi warranty. We do sell additional warranties on all our cars, so give us a call if you want some prices of warranties that are very good and can be used nationwide. You don't need to come back here with the car if there's an issue with it. So parking sensors front and rear, headlight washers as you can see as well, LED headlights. It's the S-Line variant this, so it's extremely good spec. It's even got the standard tinted rear windows on this, which is pretty good. Parking sensors at the back. It's keyless entry, so just open the door. You've got memory seats on this vehicle as well, which is good. If there's two of you driving it, you can set it to what your personal position is, and when they come in they can set it to theirs, and then you can just switch between the number 1 and the number 2. There's the seats, half cloth, half leather, electric seats, electric bolster, and they're also heated seats. You get a centre armrest with a USB port in there for phone charging, auto lights, auto wipers, and you do have the paddle change option on your steering wheel to change it manually. Instead of it being an auto, you can turn it into a manual. Inside we've got a cruise control there, as you can see the lever there behind the steering wheel. I'll start the car, it's just a push button on there, foot on brake, and this comes up. Obviously the header unit disappears when you turn the car off, which is good. So yeah, there's nav, like I said, there's Bluetooth. The car's mileage is, I can't see it on there, it's giving me every other, is it there? No. Let's see if we can find it, by flicking through. I'll tell you what, so let's switch it off. They tend to come up. There you go, 68,572 is its miles. 4-year-old car, a little bit up, but they can cope with it, these Audis. I tell you, they can. There's your heated seat operation button, and all your main control buttons are all circulating around this sort of iDrive system here. Your radio, your media, your nav, your telephone, and then your different channels you can tune into whatever you want. It's got the electronic handbrake and the auto hill hold start. Obviously got air conditioning. So it's pretty much, it's got the flat bottom steering wheel as well with the little S-Line logo on it, which is good. Obviously electric windows front and rear, and your tailgate opening switch is there. And as you can see in the distance, doesn't get much better than that in sound. BOSE sound system in this car. And there's your mirror operation, the heated rear mirrors on this as well. So all good news. So that's it really. We'll just jump out of the car and we'll finish off outside. Just excuse the camera movement as I get out of the vehicle. Okay, so that's the tour of the inside of the car. You've seen the majority of the outside of the vehicle. Like I say, the car is going to get serviced by our SEAT technicians when the car is ready to go. It's going to get re-valeted as well, and we'll be getting all that done prior to the car going out. We do offer a delivery service as well on all our vehicles. That's free of charge, and we do take part exchanges in, and we can settle off current finance if you've got finance on the vehicle. So just give us a call if you want any more information. If you want to reserve the car, you can go to coxmotorgroup.com. That's where our website is, and there's a reservation button. You just need to find this vehicle, click the reservation button. I think it's just £100, it takes the car off sale. Or you can ring us here at the branch. It's 01253 600 900 if you want any more information about the car, or you want any more pictures or videos. We can do that for you, no problem at all. My name's Martin. It's been my pleasure to bring you this lovely A6 TDI Ultra automatic. It's in stock now and it is available. Just give us a call when you're ready. Take care, guys. Speak soon. Bye for now.